Hey, what's up, how you doing? So the last tutorial we built our login page, as you can see on the screen. In this section of the tutorial, we're going to be building the register page. So basically in the views here, let's go ahead and create a new file called register underscore page dot dart. Once that is done already, what we can do is basically just copy everything from the login. And let's just paste it here. So the thing we need to change is just change this to register page. Alright, and you notice that how do we get to the register page? Basically, we can make use of the routes, I can make use of a text. So basically, const size box, you can call height, you can call 20 here. Then here we can go ahead and have a text. So instead of text, we can have a text button. So there's a text button that allows you like click on a text. So we can just make it empty for now, or we can call this a text which is not register, which is actually okay. It's register. Sorry, my bad. Okay, so let's save this and let's see what we have. Wow, I'm actually tired of this. So let's reload. No, let's just go ahead and restart. If you have any suggestion on how I can prevent this like from being slow, you can go ahead and comment down below. So we have, you see, it takes forever for the stuff to show up. So change this color to colors as black. Actually, we don't want the blue. Okay, so once this button is clicked on, I want to go ahead and call navigator dot pop. So we want to pop. So basically selecting the context, and we are moving to the register page. But so we should save this, and we can go ahead and click on login. You see we have this kind of error. So I actually don't know why it's like this. So basically what I use is what we are going to be using to consume our API. So we're going to install get, so our state management. Let's go ahead and install get. We can go back on this, and why did I go back fully? So I'm going to select the app again. Is this alright? So let's wait for this Flutter pop get to finish run. Alright, so what we can go ahead and do now is I'll go ahead and import get, because basically my import kind of stuff sucks for now. So import package get, import get, then we can just go ahead and clear all this. Okay, so I can clear all this, I believe. Then also this let's just clear everything actually. Then okay, good. So exactly that's what we need. Just going to remove all this extra space. So we're going to say get to, and this will not actually work because we need to also do some other stuff. So let's just save this and head over to our main. So we need to wrap this with a get material app. Make sure you are importing get dot that, not get manager or whatever you see there again. So once that is done, let's go ahead and restart this. Right now you see we have get material controller has been created, initialized. Let's go ahead and click on register. You see this status that I have moved to the register page. So basically we're in the register page. Ignore the error I'm having because I think it's my system that is providing the error. So just go ahead and ignore it. So this login, let's change this to register at first. And what I want to do is go to my stuff authentication controller. I want to see what I'm accepting for the login. For the register means I'm accepting a name, username, email, password. So the first one is going to be a name. So I believe I can just copy this. This is right here. I can call this name, username. There's also a username. All right, the last one to do is just create a controller. So this is going to be name controller, and this is going to be username controller. Alright, so once this is done, then we can go to the name controller here. We can turn this to name controller. Also we can use username controller. So let's go ahead and save this. I should have those 4 fields. Good. And this login here should be just register. And also need to actually go back. So you can copy this. And after the elevated, remember we have const size box of 20. Make sure you import get, and this should be login page. Alright, save this. So basically we want to go back to our page, and it should be login actually. Good. So we should click on login. We should move to the login page. As you can see, we've moved already. Take you forever on the emulator. You know, if you have any emulator you can recommend for me to use, please make sure you comment down below, because I don't understand what's going on with this emulator. So basically I can just save this. Oh god, let me just restart. So like I said, if you have any emulator in mind I can use, please make sure you comment, suggest to me any emulator I could use. Alright, so we have the login page, so we have the register page. We click on it. You're supposed to move to the register. Is there any error we are actually getting? Let's see. No error actually. We are moving to the login. So now let's move to the login code. Alright, so we are done with the login and register page. So next we are going to consume the API